Hello everyone. I hope you all are having a good time. Today in this video, we are going to talk about UiPath Insights. This is a new feature that we have, and we will be looking forward with all the informative knowledge which we can extract. Basically, if I talk about it, so in general, if we speak about insights, right? So it illuminates the unseen guiding and decisions, and mostly shaping the understanding of the revealing paths that we have. For example, if we want to explore what information we have and to have a basic understanding of it, to shape an understanding, insights are very, very important if we go forward to it. We can say that they are the keystone of progress, enabling patterns and the charts to, how to make sure that the course of innovation and deeper understanding is getting developed. So with me today, I have Vineet, who is my co-worker in Accelerate. So hi Vineet, how are you doing today?
Hey, Pratik. I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing great as well. It's a Friday Eve and we are here to discuss Web Insights, but I hope we cover it very soon so that, basic and good information is extracted out of this video.
Yeah.
So Vineet, when I ask you about what exactly is UiPath Insight, so what is your thought process on that?
So Pratik, basically, UiPath Insights is a web application which serves as a data modeling and analytics platform,
Okay,
which can be utilized from the orchestrator that we are having, and all the ROIs we can generate with the help of the jobs, processes, queues, whichever available in the orchestrator.
mhm,
So based on that, we can generate the metrics, which is completely useful for the business. So they can track, monitor, and evaluate the performance of the bot. So we can
correct.
easily showcase that all the metrics using the UiPath Insights, and it is very much easier to understand and easier to build as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
So mostly we drive around the data metrics that we have for a particular project or maybe, you
correct,
know, a bot or any deciding or any design that we have done.
correct.
Great, great. So actually, Insights, we already have a feature in it. So
Mhm.
how about we directly go forward and look how to, navigate to UiPath Insights?
Sure. So once we logged into our orchestrator,
Uh-huh.
there is an feature you can see as a insights.
Okay,
It is enabled in your orchestrator. If it is enabled, the icon of the insights will look like this. If it is
okay,
not enabled, then you can
mhm,
go to your admin
okay,
and in the tenant where you are working right now, and
okay,
then you can navigate to services. And in the services, you can enable or disable your insights from services. So once you
okay.
enable the insights, then on the home page, it is available for your work. So
That's great.
yeah. So for now, I have already enabled the insights. I will directly navigate to the insights. So here you can see once we navigated to the insights,
Okay,
then you can see the number of functions are available over here.
okay,
Here on the left-hand side, you can see the My Dashboard, Tenant, Organization, UiPath templates. So My
yes,
Dashboard is it is restricted to you only. So number of dashboards you have created and you don't want to share with anyone. So those
okay,
dashboard will kept here. And in the tenant itself, uh, the number of users having the access of that particular tenant, those will get the access to that particular dashboards.
okay.
Uh,
So you have to provide the access, and
yes,
that's how they can. Okay,
correct.
that's great. Yeah.
And in the UiPath templates, so here UiPath has provided the number of templates which they have already generated and created a dashboard based on the number of functionality that our orchestrator has. So here you can
Okay.
see that attended reporting, queues, robots and machines. So for particular scenario, we'll get dashboards based on our matrices that were generated by running the processes or once we have created the job. So based on that, all the templates we can utilize.
So if I want to see, like, if we have queues and we have some things in the queue, and basically I want to look after the insights about that. So we have to choose one out of this UiPath template that is already present over here, right?
Correct, correct. So here you can see if I want the matrix of the queues. So we have already template generated by the UiPath. So we'll click on this one, the UiPath template, which is already present.
Which is specifically for the queues, right?
Yes, correct. So here you can see all the tiles were generated. So here it states transactions completed. So if I selected the days, like presets of the particular, so for this demo I'll select year to date. So it will give me the metrics of all the process that have run throughout the year. So if I refresh this one, so here you can see, so in this particular year, I have completed 132 transactions. I have 6 queues, and here in this particular tiles, you can see the number of the percentage of the failed transaction, successful transactions, and the abandoned transactions.
Right.
And here it is weekly breakdown of the particular transactions in the month of October. In between September to November, I have run around 132 transactions. So we have this weekly metrics generated. And in the bottom tile, you can see queue name and the exception type of the exception message of that particular transaction item as well. So number of queues we are processing. So and if any particular transaction item gets system exception or a business exception, that will be logged over here. So here you can see the exception message as well.
So here, as we can see, we already are getting a lot of information about the transactions, about on which date it was run, if we have a weekly breakdown, or maybe the exceptions. So we need, if this is only limited to you, and if you want to give me the access of this particular, insights that you are having, so how can we do that?
So there are number of ways that where we can share this particular dashboard with client or the business. So first thing is we can download this dashboard in form of PDF or the CSV format. If we download this particular PDF, so insights will look like this. The same dashboard which is available here. It will be converted to the PDF, and we can send it directly to the client.
Correct.
This is the one way. Or if I go on the home page and I have created queue. This one I have created, right? So this one, this is the PDF form of the particular dashboard. So if we save this one and if you open, so here you can see the dashboard will convert it into the PDF form, and we can send this particular PDF to the business or any end user directly. Correct. This is the first way. And if we selected this one, Q1, and I want to share with you, and here you can see in the drop 3 dots over here, and in this one there is a manage access. So with the manage access, what I can do is I can add a user. Suppose I want to share a particular dashboard with you only, and I'll click on add user. I will enter your email ID.
Okay. And of course, I can also have different rules according to the access. That's great.
So I enter your email ID. Suppose I want to give I can assign the number of roles which are present over here. So I can assign you as an admin, designer, ROI editor, ROI viewer, or viewer. Suppose I have given the access of viewer only, then you will get only the view access. You cannot edit particular dashboard. Suppose I have given the designer access, so you can design as well as the view. So and if I give the admin access, so you can either add the user to particular dashboard. So it depends on you what you want to do.
Great.
So
great.
based on that, you can assign roles, and it can easily share. We can easily share this dashboard with anyone within our organization.
Yeah, including like multiple users also. Correct. I guess like most of the important parts of the UiPath Insights you already have covered. So basically, if I want to conclude it, I can say that UiPath Insights serve as the beacon illuminating the path towards progress, right? And all the innovation that has been going around. And also we get a deeper comprehension about what exactly is happening around the cloud with respect to the projects, and of course guiding us towards the horizons of knowledge and understanding where we can actually have each and every detailed information. So thank you so much, Vineet, for sharing this valuable information with us. And I hope the viewers find this very insightful and they'll surely go ahead and try how to operate UiPath Insights, and maybe they can come up with some own creation of them.
Sure.
Thanks, Vineet. Have a good day.
Thank you, Pratik. Have a good day. Bye.